In this video, we show how to replace a memory module on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing a memory module, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove a memory module, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the memory module, locate the appropriate memory module socket and press the ejectors on both ends to open. Then lift the memory module away from the system. To install a memory module, align the edge connector of the module with the alignment key of the memory module socket. Insert and press the module until the ejectors click into place. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.